So hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to cover this lab, Google App Script, जो कि GSP 235 है. So let's start. हम इसे पहले open कर लेते हैं private window में, and we'll just move to directly task 1, where we have to create a Excel sheet. Where we have to create a Google Sheet. So हम यहाँ पे login कर लिए and we have to just click in open window. यहाँ पे just we have to put this address in A1 cell. So okay, cut it this, paste it over here, and yeah, it's done. Now what we have to do, we have to click here extension, click app script. So yes, here we can check this, और उसके बाद we have to copy this code, paste it over here. Now here you have to enter your mail ID, clear this text and paste your mail ID, mail lab ID. Now click here, save project to drive. Okay, now done. Click the run button. Now we have to provide some permission. So wait until pop-up message come. Okay, यहाँ पे we have to provide permission. Click select all, continue, and yes, done. Now we have to open Gmail. Click here, and yeah, it's almost done. I guess you can check my progress. Yes, we have done this lab. So thanks for the watching. Make sure don't forget to subscribe our channel for next upcoming video. Thank you guys.